Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unlock iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is on the latest ISO 18, and you can see iPhone locked it to owner, and I'm going to permanently unlock this iPhone. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number, or you can visit the email address in description link. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to download the unlocking file and import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free unlocking tool which you can easily free download from any 3U website or any other website. So you can see I'm going to import the unlocking file in 3U tool, and our unlocking is started. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model. This method is not free, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number, or you can email us. The email address is written in our description link, and just you need to ask the price of unlocking file and we will make the download link for you guys. And this method is 100% working and a lot of people are buying. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So kindly like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. This method is working on all iPhone models and all iPad models. This is working on also iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you have iPhone 16 Pro Max, this method will also work on 16 Pro, 16 Plus and 16 Pro Max. All the iPhone models are supported. If you have any iPhone model, you can contact me and ask me about the unlocking file. Just you need to WhatsApp me on this number. If you don't have WhatsApp number, then you can email us. So our flashing is almost completed. It will take like 1 or 2 minutes to complete this setup. Don't worry if you see this message, just you need to follow the steps. It may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. If you see data and privacy, it means your iPhone is 100% unlocked and old iCloud is gone. Voila, you see data and privacy. It means the old iCloud is 100% gone, and now we can activate our iPhone. Follow this step to activate your iPhone. This method is 100% working and a lot of people are buying. It's also a permanent unlocking bypass, or you can say this is permanent unlocking. Welcome to iPhone. Our iPhone is 100% unlocked. This is iPhone 11 Pro Max, which was iCloud locked and now it's 100% unlocked. You can update or reset your phone. Everything is working fine. You can enter the new iCloud account here if you want. Just you need to enter the new iCloud account here and you can start working and start using your phone. You can see iPhone 11 Pro. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking files. So this method is 100% working. Also, it's working on all iPhone models. Like for example, if you have iPhone X, or if you have iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 or 12 or 14, all the models are supported and everything is working perfectly fine. You can see this is on the latest iOS 18. You can see iOS 18. Also, you can update, if you will, you can update on iOS 18.2 or 18.3 if you want. Just you need to update it and use your phone. Also, you can use SIM card. SIM card will also work. iPhone 11 Pro, which is 100% unlocked and ready to use. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy our service. Take care. Bye bye. Like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount.